morning, welcome back to Afrifama, and this morning I'm really excited to announce that we have new members of Afrifama Society. What do I mean by that? Well, if you can hear in my background, you can hear the sound of day-old chicks, and I'm so excited. We incubated these eggs exactly 21 days ago, and today we have actually hatched at least 30 new chicks. Let me show you how they look like and how they behave. So these are our two eggs incubators right here. We have the small one with a capacity of 55 eggs, and the big ones with the capacity of 65 eggs. Let's see what's inside. And guys, look at that! Wow! All the eggs might not have hatched, but this is exciting. Look at that! Wow! The new members of Afrifama. Look at this one. So, those are only the first one. Meanwhile, we need to check on the second one. What do we have here? And guys, wow. Now these have a little bit less eggs, but already we have these chicks right here. Wow. This is so exciting. Wow. Wow. Look at that. So the truth is, I'm so excited to be able to see at least we have, 30 new baby chicks at the farm. Well, we might not have hatched at least the half of the eggs, but nevertheless, this is always a joy to see the newest member of society here at Afrifama. So first thing first, I need to act very fast because I now need to transfer them from egg incubator to put them in a box, so at least they will be safe as we wait to see if indeed the other eggs, if they are going to hatch or not. So guys, look at that, our newest member of Afrifama. Look how cute they are. Look, it's amazing, right? The same case, this looks a little bit weak, but we're gonna get them a little bit better. So for now, create them. Now, after examining, I discovered there's a problem. You remember when I said sometimes it's good to remove the rollers first? It appears this chick right here, its legs got dislocated. Apparently, it's either it was stuck in one of the crevices, and now this is, well, it's quite unfortunate because I really feel bad for the baby chick. You can be able to see it's really trying to get up, but apparently the legs are refusing. But meanwhile, we're still gonna take good care of it, and then we'll see how it's going to adapt. So let's see where the other chicks are. Come along. No how. Lights, let's say I'll do lights. And this is what we're going to use to make sure at least our cheeks are warm for today. And well, it's energy cost effective, but it's cost saving at the same time. Let's see how it goes.
Hello.